Blay Pibro, Kanega Epics News India, Kikubor Puli, the Piba Corridor Marbo. Then your pie show Shekimat Kibakong San. Kibor kibabnya. Kibor pahara kaput kila pendu pendam ya arngut kinong Bangladesh kibala suba bagi dei kileno kadba kidang temu wanrung bian che India. Kinong wanrung tu kibala itu kumki ashikur bat moshahid kila sya pendu no hajan min pila 1260 haparahat. Hasilinter ki kaput Saihat Meghalaya International Border. Kitanat pahara kidang long ki bapet ngorbha ya ki jaka kaput. Laab ya ki jingtem babnya. Menteri Rangba Kajela Ukongrat ke sangma ula pinti kena baya ka report jongka expert committee halor ka Meghalaya State Reservation Policy 6000 khandai spa nyo puar shen on sapan bana pajba. Haba batay ka jingpen slam Menteri Rangba uloong baka kait point kalong kabajiliu. Kajing thut hadu kata-kata kabakhya hadu arspa kilo bat kaya kaba 1000 hadu san hajar slang. Ula banjurru bat lab bawat kidak tho kibaredru kilala banpen kila shibun ya kajing patay.
Therefore, it would be wrong for us simply just to say we'll read the conclusion and that's it. It's not like that. It's not so simple. It's huge. As I said, it's a bulk. We had to send a special, vehicle to get the report back because we couldn't bring it in the flight also because it was so big. So as I said, 200 kgs of paperwork. The chief secretary and the other officials had to go through every line, every page, and it was a very, very big task. And of course, they have finished it. They are going to submit it and show it to the cabinet. And of course, as soon as they give it to us, we will be making it public. There's no question of not making it public. This is a matter of great importance to the people, and the people should know what's there in the report. And we will be definitely sharing it. But as I said, you have to be realistic about the fact that that being a sensitive matter, the officials cannot just simply ignore even a single page or even a single word. They had to go through every single bit of it, and that's why it took some time. But they are ready now, so I think very soon we should be making it public. Thank you.
Karai kabadon na kakenhun menteri jongka jela Meghalaya kala menjur ya ka structure pay scale nakabenta palat arpulai hajar ngut kinong hikai ad hoc but SSA hakaleng jela. Menteri Rangba Kajela Ukongrat ke sangma ulapen bana bakane karai kapinti kana ya ka jingsngan hakakam. Kajing penkiu manla usnam bat banyo ya kijing mentoy jong kapisa balano senyang. Kani ka policy country kam nadu ka shitarik urisau arhajar apunriu kumbala kular manchwa.
To inform the people of the state and more importantly the ad hoc teachers and the SSA teachers that the cabinet today has approved the proposal that was given by the education department to number one, create a structured pay for the ad hoc and the SSA teachers. Number two, to have a yearly increment program for them so that they don't get stuck at a particular salary. The salary also, the base salary has been also enhanced on the basis of seniority. So somebody who's been serving for 15 years, 20 years, compared to somebody who's serving only for 1 year, 2 years, were getting the same salary before. So we have created some scales and categorization in terms of the period of service and given a minimum increment for each one of them. And number three, most important, is that the job security is there for them. So today, when SSA teachers are there, we understand that there is some doubt in their mind about the future of their jobs. The ad hoc teachers also, they have some doubt about their jobs. And therefore, this particular move and decision of the cabinet will ensure that there is a job security for the SSA as well as the ad hoc teachers. And also we have put a provision where under the there will be contribution to the CPF, which will be done both by the teachers and the governments to ensure that when they do retire, that there is some kind of a safety and security for them post-retirement also. This also, we have decided that this will be implemented in a form of a society, and there'll be a society that will manage all of this. So all of these factors have been proposed today, and these were the salient features of the proposal. We have the exact numbers and everything with us, but I will not share that with you today because we are going to implement this from the 1st of April 2026, as was promised by me about a month back, that we are going to conclude this before Christmas and we are going to implement it by the 1st of April. And I'm fulfilling that commitment made to our teachers. And in the next 3 months post the New Year's, we will work on exactly the mode of implementation, the different administrative procedures required. And through that period, I will then inform you about the detailed numbers. But these numbers have already been discussed with the SSA teachers and with the ad hoc teachers. And it is with that approval and with the discussion with them that we have brought this to the cabinet. And today the cabinet has approved. There are certain small concerns that are being raised. We will be ironing those concerns out as we move along. But in principle, the broad structure today has been finalized. And as I said, it's a major reform, because you have to understand that this will lead to future reforms that are very much necessary in the education sector. And this will also lead to, as I said, a very structured pay in the future for the SSA and the ad hoc teachers, so that they don't have to be worried about their increments again. They don't have to be worried every 3 years, every 5 years of coming to the government, keep on demanding that they should be given higher salaries. So the incremental, the pay that they will be getting every year will take care of those concerns. And we are hopeful that with this major decision,
Umentri rangba kajla ukongrat ke sangma ulapen mi ya kajing maham kabating ya kaseng kabala syakhang HNLC da kabaong baka sarkar kanum sya ya kinu ki kambian. Kani kalong hadien baka HNLC kalakam ya kajing kitkli halor kajing batai bom IED hakajaka jong udhar company ha East Janta Hills. Kipulit kila pentikna ba arngut kinong tray overground walker jong kate kakenhuan kila syakem hakakat praterik unai wing.
Refusal to pay extortion. So, sir, how many politicians in Meghalaya are being served with demand notes by the HNLC?
that details I don't have with me. But earlier they were saying that he was paying, and now they're saying that he's not paying. So it's a bit of contradictory thing. But the point here is that that obviously this kind of things will not be tolerated by the government. And I don't want to go too much into details, but the police has made very strong links, and I should say they have come to the conclusion they have information enough to act on this incident, and with full evidence. And so therefore we will be I'm sure the SP will be sharing that with you tomorrow. I'm aware about it, but it's inappropriate for me to share. So action has been taken. Police has been very swift, and we have enough to act on the information on the incident that has happened, and the individuals behind that will definitely be picked up.
What will be your...
Sir, I have one question. The president of UP has had demand.
Last question. I'm sorry to rush. Yeah.
Demanded that the government should make public the
report of the
committee
expert committee
on
on
the reserve.
Oh, yes. It'll be.
Kakenhun Menteri ka Jila kalaminjur ya ka state curriculum framework nakabenta ka kerdan basdang kabakenthop ya ka preschool hadu ki class 1. Kajing hikai bathamai kalapelet jingmut hakajing penroy bapura kador jong ki jing hikai hakajing nang jingstan bat ka culture jong kathan. Kijing pulie hakiktin khasi bat garo kan long kabakong san. Kadba kajing pediang ya ka kot pulie thamai kan long kabala banjiet menta usnam. Bat kan sablong kaba donkam ya kijing pulie ha kasnam banwa.
You have to understand the poet, who the poet is, and then you will understand the poem better. Okay? Keep over your way. And C doesn't matter. You should be positive in life, right? Yes, didn't understand half of it what you.
Keep distance. Keep distance. Keep distance. Keep distance only आ जाएगा. डबल आने को है. Keep distance. Keep distance. Keep on. Keep on.
वो अंदर से एंगल अच्छा होगा
Haba phai shakani ka ayom le kamen ka Shillong Traffic Police kalapan mi ya ka jing batha ban penti kana ya ka jing yat bet yat renti jongki kali bat ka jing shingan jongki padba lakin tu ya ki nong let nong wan ban pendon kam daki kali padba ban kiar na ka ba penyeng kali harut surang ban bu ya ki kendon yat kali bat ban penti kana baki dei banya kali da ka jingkit clear ki pulit kilapan kesan ru ban le ting e persya ya ki nong nya kali haba buat ki banyak kali stat bat ki ba penken ya ki anya kali Kari India kala tipet ba kum kari kabalai ha ka perthai ha kaliang ki jingya khun ne jingya kop ha ka artificial intelligence kat kum ka global AI vibrancy tool jong ka Stanford University. Kari India kala yo atway point san pukhandai point bat kala don ha ka kerdan kabalai hadin ka United States bat ka China ka bapen I ya ka jingyo shakhmat ka bakraw ha ka jingya khun technology ha ka perthai. Ka Sarkar Meghalaya kala penlong ya ka jing pen kela ha ki pulet ka baken thop ya ki jing pen kiu kerdan bat ki jing pen ken riak kam ya ki ka tu ka ningut ki officer IPS bat MPS ka ban trekam nadu ka shiterek ukala lingkot hajar afunrio kani ka jing pen kela kala thmu ban pen khlan ya ka jing pen yat kam jong ki pulet bat ban pen bha ya ka jing trekam bat jing la ya ki kam ha ki district bat ki ken hon trekam pakarpang
Number 6 is commanded by Health Sub-Inspector Rituma Basubagani.
Ke Sarkar Meghalaya kala IT ya ka jaka banshna ya ka Taj Umyam Resort and Spa ha kapung Umyam bat da ka Jingbei tingka ka ba lai hajar lai pho kulur kan long ka jing pediang subha ka ba he tam ha ka jilla ya ka ni ka project bat ka jing kan tiu ka ba khrau ya ka kam chungo kai perthai
Prioritizing local youth while also catalyzing growth in allied sectors such as transport, handicrafts, food supply chains, and experiential tourism. To this land handover, responsibility and a strong partnership between the people and private sector, we are confident that with Taj Hotel legacy of excellency, professionalism, and commitment to sustainability, this project will emerge as a flagship destination not only for Meghalaya.
Today is not just the handover of a land, it is the handover of a shared dream, a dream where nature, culture, and responsible development work hand in hand. For us at Indian Hotels Company Limited, the moment is deeply meaningful. Meghalaya is a land of stories, of mist-covered hills, crystal waters, and communities that welcome the world with open hearts.
When we are talking about developing tourism, it is a large canvas, as I always say. It's a large picture. It's the entire sector in front of us, the entire state in front of us. And to be able to create this large canvas and this picture and this painting that we envision to create has different parts to it. And therefore, for a person to look at just one part of the canvas and think or feel or comment that this government is only for 5-star hotels would be missing out the large picture, would be missing out the larger goal and objective we have. Today, Meghalaya has one of the most aggressive policies when it comes to homestays. 800 homestays are being constructed as we speak. And the policies and programs and schemes have been laid down to have 3,000 homestays. These homestays will ensure that the people will directly benefit.
Kipulit jongka Singapore kilap pensyai ba hadu mentah om syam lalap satia kanu ka jingle bom senyo criminal foul play halor ka jingyap jong unong ruai ba paunam uzubin gar ubalakhla no hakapor ba udang jingi haka khandai trek u September ar hajar apusan lakmi linti ba kandan ka jing tokit jong u coroner hakabas dang jong usnam ar hajar apun riu ban lap yakadaw bakhadu jong ka jingyap Badak itu ikhbar ngilapoi syakabakut tah ada bengin dia syambiang kublai shibun.